everybody, welcome back to Two Hacks in the Shack. Today we're back working on the Jeep. It's been a long time since we made an upload because of all the stuff going on. And where we left off with the Jeep, we last wired the upstream and downstream O2 sensors together to fool the ECU into thinking they're all working. The owner since decided that he wants to put the exhaust system to factory spec. So he bought and shipped us these manifolds you see on the bottom and the pair of catalytic converters that go with it for the California spec system. The manifold up top you see there is what was on this truck, how we showed up to the shop, and so we're in the process of converting this over to the system in the lower part of the screen that I mentioned just a second ago. Over here in front of the truck you'll see the intake manifold. We already got that off in preparation for swapping all this stuff around. Show you a quick shot on the engine bay. It's going to be kind of dark. You probably can't see anything. You can see where we got the both manifolds off the engine there, and space made for the new California ones to go on. And so that's what we're going to be doing today, is putting those two new California spec manifolds on and putting the intake manifold back on. And then once we get the catalytic converter on, the new catalytic converter on, we're going to have to figure out how to tie it into the exhaust system that's there. So let's get to work. Okay, we got the intake manifold and the exhaust manifold on. It's not, because they're both on the same side and share the set of bolts, especially underneath, it's a bit tricky to put on. We're going to stop there because the next problem we got to address is, again, the O2 sensors that we had rigged up in the previous video, and we have to find a way to adapt the exhaust on the truck to this new exhaust manifold and the cats. So see you next time. Thanks for watching.